Hi guys, today we'll dive into a wonderful world of probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are really good for your body, especially for your digestive system. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts which are really good for your body, especially for your digestive system. If you eat them on a regular basis, your immune system will get stronger, which is really important for your health in general. You can get probiotics either in a capsule like this one, or in a probiotic-rich foods, for example, raw cheese, miso, tempeh, raw yogurts, and any kind of sauerkraut. Taking daily dose of probiotics will not only improve your health system, especially your gut, but it will also improve your mood, bad breath, and make your skin glow. If you want to find out more about probiotics and fermentation, check out the description below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.